Welcome to the EdbMails EDB Archive Mailbox to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. This video demonstrates how to migrate archive mailboxes from an offline EDB file to Office 365 using EdbMails. EdbMails EDB to Office 365 Migrator lets you easily migrate archive mailboxes from offline Exchange EDB files to Microsoft 365. It is designed to recover data from corrupted or decommissioned Exchange servers, allowing you to preview mailbox contents and selectively migrate what you need. The tool supports incremental migration to prevent duplicate items and ensures that the original folder structure and metadata are fully preserved. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to migrate archive mailboxes from an EDB file to Office 365.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select EDB Recovery and Migration. Select EDB to Office 365. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Browse for EDB file. Select the EDB file. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Select the mailboxes, folders that you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select Connect to Archive Mailboxes option. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-in page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps archive mailboxes between the source and the target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. After migration completion, you will receive the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to view the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free EDB Archive mailbox to Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.